Thinking about an uncontested divorce in DeKalb County, but wondering how the process actually works here? The good news is, when handled correctly, most DeKalb County uncontested divorces finalize in as little as 30 to 60 days. This video is for couples in Decatur, Brookhaven, Stone Mountain, Dunwoody, and throughout DeKalb County who want a peaceful, predictable, affordable divorce without unnecessary court appearances. So what does uncontested really mean? To qualify as uncontested, both spouses must agree on everything: property, debts, alimony, custody, and child support. If even one issue is unresolved, the case is considered contested. How does the DeKalb County process work? So your case is filed with the DeKalb County Superior Court. Georgia law requires a 30-day waiting period, and most uncontested cases are finalized shortly after that. In many situations, you won't need to appear in court at all, as long as your documents are properly prepared. Now, why does local experience matter in DeKalb? DeKalb has 10 Superior Court judges handling domestic cases. At Aaron Thomas Law, we're very familiar with how each of these judges approach divorce matters. I personally live in DeKalb County and have handled hundreds of divorces here. That experience allows us to anticipate how your documents will be reviewed, prepare you if an appearance is required, and tailor your agreement to meet local expectations. That local knowledge makes a real difference in keeping cases smooth and predictable. Judges in DeKalb County review parenting plans and child support worksheets carefully. Small mistakes can delay your case. A well-drafted settlement agreement, structured correctly from the beginning, keeps your divorce moving efficiently. If you're ready for a clear, calm, efficient path forward in DeKalb County, schedule your consultation using the link below. We'll guide you step by step and help you complete your DeKalb County uncontested divorce the right way, quickly and with confidence.